Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at a debut model from an Italian brand Vulcanica called the Efesto Automatic. As the name suggests, the watch is inspired by volcanoes, and as such the dial is made to look like volcano rocks with lava being visible in the cracks. The cool thing is the fact they actually used orange lume for the lava, so entering a dark place makes the watch come alive. A very cool lume application, even if it does detract from nighttime legibility. The orange in daylight is really lively and complements the orange seconds hand as well as the perforated leather strap that has black top and is orange underneath. The watch also comes on a steel bracelet with all the right specs, solid links and a machined clasp. But despite being a fan of bracelets in general, I kept this one on the leather strap, not only for the looks, but also the feel, as it is one of the best leather straps I tried so far. The specs of the watch are pretty good as well, with a slightly domed sapphire crystal and a glossy ceramic insert for the bezel. The bezel itself comes with 120 clicks and is very smooth and precise, while easy to grip due to a large grip area. The hands and markers are large and long enough. They're all polished with the hands having a center bevel, making them more legible and premium looking. The premium feel is ruined somewhat by the finish of the markers, as almost each and every one of them has scratches clearly visible under macro. It is a shame given the overall fit and finish of the watch. This is a review sample, so I don't know if the production models will have this improved. The case finish on the other hand is pretty good with fine brushing and polished bevels. The size is pretty spot on as well, with 40mm in diameter and just 46.5 lug to lug. It is an easy watch to wear on even smaller wrists like mine. The movement used is a Seiko NH35, which keeps the price down. In retail, these will go for around $450, but they're available in the pre-order phase for as low as $295 for the leather one and just slightly over $300 for the bracelet option. It is a unique watch that you either hate or love depending on how you feel about the volcano theme. The specs are okay for the money and just show how much microbrands have raised the bar when we expect sapphire ceramic as well as a nicely made solid bracelet for just $300. I personally love the dial, the lume application, and the strap, but then again, I'm a massive orange color fan, so I'm a bit subjective on this. If you like this and plan on getting it, definitely use the pre-order price, as the full retail one opens up a lot of other options with similar or even better specs. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.